This is the Mara Reserve, where the Lion brothers spent 2 years patrolling, sometimes alone, sometimes together. United, they are stronger and safer. By March 2021, all 5 brothers were 4 years old, magnificent young lions. They had no territory of their own, so they spent time about 25 kilometers north of their birthplace. Leopards in the area knew them well. These lions often stole their kills. The lions became well known, and the Maasai people named them according to their personalities. Lam, the limping one. He has no scars on his face. He avoids hunting and fighting, but is the most sexually active. Lucia-O, the one who lags behind. Cautious and often separated from his brothers. Lokolok, the one who walks together. His nose constantly runs, possibly broken by a buffalo's hoof, leaving him in constant pain. Lepidon, the hunter. Always the first to reach a kill, confident and highly skilled in combat. Olibor, the sister killer. The leader, the strongest, and a powerful attacker. Olibor and Lepidon largely determine the group's fate. In the spring of 2021, observers witnessed something extraordinary. The mothers of the 5 brothers rejoined them. Due to an invasion by a large eastern pride, the lionesses were forced to abandon their territory. The lions were now too grown to live with their mothers. Yet this unusual setup formed. The mothers brought along their newer cubs, 3 young males and 2 females, creating a group of 13 lions. The cubs played while the 5 brothers waited for their mothers to hunt for them. This unusual arrangement required careful observation. Sometimes the playful cubs scared away prey. At other times, their enthusiasm proved useful. This was not a true pride, but a temporary alliance formed for hunting convenience.